Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 31 of me documenting my programming journey. It is Wednesday, March 23rd at 6:34 a.m. And today I'm going to dive right into a lesson on the Ultimate Portfolio app course on the Hacking with Swift website. This one is all about creating a simple widget to go with our app. So like a widget that you could drag and drop on your home screen, I'm assuming. And so that'll be interesting to check out. Looking forward to it. Let's get into it and then I'll talk about it afterwards. I really have to get ready for work now, but I'm going to do a really fast summary of what I did in the widget lesson. Let's check it out. So a lot of what we did here, the vast majority of it really was back-end stuff to make sure that the main app is sharing data properly with the widget. The widget and the app itself are kind of two separate pieces of software. You can think about them that way. So they both have to be pulling information from the same pool of data or else they'll be out of sync with each other. And what we're doing in this widget is taking an item from our app and displaying it on the widget on the user's home screen, because the widget's on the user's home screen. And this is really cool because it allows the user to see an item. For example, let's say they're learning how to play guitar. This is a app for tracking progress or for keeping track of progress learning a new skill. So if you wanted to have a project that is learning guitar, an item would be buy a guitar. And then now, if that's the most high priority item in this very simple version of this widget, we are going to display buy a guitar on the widget so that the user can just look at their home screen and see what's up next for them in the app. And we're basically doing that with a whole bunch of new stuff. We had to make a new title, a new target for the widget, some new methods in the widget Swift file itself, a whole assortment of different things, making sure that we're using some data controller extensions to make sure that our code doesn't crash and make things unaware of other things in other spots of our code, and also to make sure that we're not supplying our widget with information it doesn't need. That's basically where these data controller extensions are coming from, and they're new. But all in all, this is basically what it looks like in practice. Let's say we have our thing, we have a project that is learn to code. Our item for this project is to buy a computer. It's high priority, and it's the only item we have. So what's going to happen is we're going to go to our home screen and we're going to say, see up next, buy computer. So that's showing us our next item. This is a very simple version of this widget, and we're going to expand on it in a lesson tomorrow. So looking forward to that. Again, this was a really long lesson and I have to get ready for work now. So that's all I got for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.